In this video, we are going to be looking at how much YouTube actually pays for a video that got around 10,000 views. Yeah, so if you have a small YouTube channel like mine and you are wondering how much YouTube actually pays for videos that got around 10,000 views, or you're now starting to grow a new YouTube channel, then you should stick around to the end of this video and I'll break it down to you on how this actually works. So to get started, before we jump into the amount that YouTube pays for 10,000 views, I want us to quickly look at all the factors that is contributing to the YouTube earnings. So we can see right here that this video had 10,060 views since it was published. This video was actually published a year ago in my other channel. So let's take a look at the reach. So looking at the reach, where this video had 45.6 thousand impressions in the last since the time it has been published, and 13.9% impression click-through rates. So when you scroll down here, you will find the source where the views are coming from, and all these are very important to your videos. You need to understand where the viewers are coming from. So let's take a look at the engagement. So since this video was published, the video got 418 watch time, and also the video got 2 minutes 29 average view duration. This is how long the audience have spent in watching this video. You remember that anytime a viewer is watching your video, after 30 seconds, that is when YouTube will count one view for you. So the beginning of your video is always very important, because if your audience does not watch your video up to 30 seconds, it is not going to count as a view. So when an audience watches your video up to 30 seconds to 1 minute, your one view is going to be counted. So it's very important to understand all these features. So for this video, the audience watched it up to 2 minutes 30 seconds, and it's not really bad, it's cool. So now let's take a look at the audience. When we take a look at the audience, you can see that this video generated 183 subscribers since the day it was published, and it's not really bad, it's cool. Yeah, if the video is interesting, people will be more likely to like, subscribe and interact with the video. And when you scroll down here, we are going to look at the top geographies. These are the countries where the viewers and the audience are coming from. And where the viewers and the audience are coming from is very important to your YouTube CPM. Why I say that is because according to YouTube, most developed countries like Canada, US, and United Kingdom, the advertisers are willing to pay more. You understand? But unlike some countries that are not developed, you know, over if you are getting views from those countries, you are likely not going to make much money due to how much the advertisers are willing to pay on that your video. Yes, so finally, this is how much YouTube paid for this video that got around 10,060 views. So as you can see, the estimated revenue for this video is $5.54. This is how much this video has earned ever since it has been published. And let's take a look at the video performance. You can see that the RPM, which is the revenue per 1,000 views, is 0.55 cents for this video. How much advertisers are paying for this video is $1.77. Just like I told you, it depends on where the audience are coming from. So this is how much YouTube paid for a video that got 10,000 views. This is not the same with every video.